guys, a very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we are doing cucumber mint crackers. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. First, some rice cake. Next I have is salt. Then I have chopped cucumber. 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. I have blended it with some mint leaves. Lastly, some roasted cumin powder. First we're going to add the Greek yogurt to the same. Next we're going to add some sliced cucumber. Then I have some salt. And lastly, some roasted cumin powder. And our healthy, crunchy, crispy cumin mint crackers are ready. Our cucumber mint crackers are ready. They are a great snack option. They're loaded with calcium and protein because we have used Greek yogurt, which is unsweetened. At the same time, we have cucumbers which are extremely less in calories and provide you great vitamins and minerals. That means it's a perfect low-calorie snack for your evenings. Thank you so much for watching my video. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on training, transformation, nutrition, and amazing, awesome recipes. Thank you.